Hi children, today we are making a beautiful pen holder. Material list: 3 A4 size paper, gum and scissors. A4 size paper, cut the square pieces. Half fold, open this corner and this corner, fold into center and this corner half fold. Again half fold. Two paper same method. And this corner and this corner, this pocket and this pocket put. Put into pocket. This place is open. Fold into this shape, a square shape. 12 centimeter, a square paper cut. 4 corner fold into center. Again 4 corner fold into center. Open, put into this pen holder, paste in gum. Rest some time.